Yo, good morning. Got the volume down just a little bit. There we go. So what news have we got today? Retail sales at 7:30, Swiss manufacturing 8:30, Italian manufacturing 8:45, French and German 8:50, 8:55, UK manufacturing 9:30. We got quite a bit of volume in London session, and then we got US manufacturing PMI at 2:45 for S&P, and then 3 o'clock for the actual US DXY, which is going to be interesting. So we got a bit of news. I have to be careful, make sure I don't trade any red folder news by accident. So that's fine. Let's just hop on to these other assets, set up the copier to times by 2 on the X. CHF 5, no, not 5.2. Yen fell really hard. Wow. Gold is always going to sit on probably M5, M15. So that's fine. Just in case I trade gold. Trader. Make sure I'm on the 100k account. Yep, on the 100k. Awesome. So I've got this week for my 14-day cycle. So if I catch a TP, then I don't need to trade. I can just wait for the payout on Friday. Hopefully, that's if we catch a clean trade. If we don't, then obviously we wait, analyze price, and see what the next move on price is, and then try to capitalize on that. So yeah, pretty simple score, I guess. Gonna mark this out as zone for interest. Looks to me like price is bearish. Obviously we got build up there, broke structure there, tagged off the midline, fell down. That's interesting. Actually like the look of this for a short. Actually that looks quite nice. Of Asia midline. That's if we're gonna go short in it. If you go M15, what has price been doing? It's been taking that, pushing up, taking that, pushing up. Down didn't push up though. Then here we dropped down, took these two lows there, and then had a bullish action there. Not so sure. But at the same time, we got this low right here, which is even before Frankfurt. So I think that might be invalid. Might. Obviously, I don't know for sure. Kind of speculating, I guess, but I'm guessing that is invalid. Let's just check these spreads on this account now, man. What's it saying? Yeah. Spreads on Euro USD's 0.4. That's bad on Euro, man. How can you have 0.4 spread? Ouch. These guys' spread is really bad. Wowza. And this is a raw spread account? Bro, you gotta be taking the piss. One Okay, 1 pip ain't bad. Okay, yeah, 1 pip is not bad actually. One. Ooh. Yen's moving quick, so it's hard to 1 point. Ooh. 1.6. 2 pip. Wow. Yes, this is not good. Not good. Yen's got better spread, I think. The yen has. Yeah, yen's about a pip and a half, which is better, to be fair, considering that has more movement. But this is not this is not raw spreads. This is not raw spreads. No, definitely not. Won't accept that. Unacceptable. Anyway. Oh wait, what's going on here? The settings are on the wrong thing. There we go. Go back to that again. Here you go.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
There you go. Better, much better. So yeah, I mean, I have to look at this carefully and just kind of see what price action's doing on that. Try to stay on the right side of the market, obviously. So let's have a look. So lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. 7 o'clock open, higher low, lower high. Okay, that's interesting. Let's look at yen, eurusd. Sorry, too good for me. On the yen, it's telling me. Come on, man. There. On the yen, it's telling me. We just got a bunch of lows right here. And prices. Can't really tell. It's quite compressed as of recent. From here, it's quite tight and compact price action, so hard to say. Okay, so low high, low low, lower high, low low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, lower high, broke that low, tagged that zone. So ultimately still showing bearish price action. It's fine. See how that goes. Okay, prices come in. This for me is confusing because yes, we took out these highs, but we failed to break that zone there. We did have lower highs, lower lows, and then lower highs, but here's a high low and I was going to make a higher high potentially. So I need to kind of sit and just look at what is price action doing. Because ultimately this to me looks like an invalid zone. Obviously I could be wrong. Also have to look at price action and be a bit more reactive than anything. Let's see what happens. Just gonna stretch that out. There. I'll just go to M1 at this point and just look at that. I think gold will go long actually from here. Possibly. Wow, QT really needs liquidity because they're doing 55 off for the whole week. Wow, that's bad. Flipping hand. That's bad. Lol. Anyway, I find that hilarious. Just turn around and say that's still kind of sat in the channel. Okay, so this is still going up. It's not bad. Could that mean that then this is
5 minutes time to get Swiss retail sales year on year on the prior one spot 5%.
quite possibly? That switches that to an invalid zone, and that makes this the valid zone. Right, okay. I would need price to tag in a give reaction, take that zone out for that to be invalid, to show that buys are still kind of the play to go, unless that gives a reaction. Unless price tags in there and then starts to sell off, then this could be the invalid zone and that could be the legit one, the legitimate zone. Yeah, I'm looking right now. If we go on M5, yeah, we're just leaving Frankfurt low right there. That's what I'm guessing anyway. Obviously, I could be wrong. GBPCHF done. Okay. Okay. It's done a move.
Less than a minute to go for Swiss retail sales.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Hughes Keller said it could be a pivotal week for diplomacy.
Probably stay away from that for a minute then. If you look at this here, suppose that can all still be classed as an invalid zone. This whole range. Probably an M15 zone to be fair. Yeah, it's like it, doesn't it? Damn it.
2.7%, 2.7%.
Yeah, pretty much what I thought it would be. Just covered that. Right. So, we engineered these equal highs. Respected this open demand zone. Gave a reaction. On M2. Didn't really. I suppose it did break that structural low on M2, but then it made equal highs there, which makes sense. And it come down into the demand zone, consolidated for how long? About half an hour. Then it gave a move. I wouldn't be in that trade anyway. I'd have been out. I'd have closed that trade out long ago, in all honesty. We're coming for Asia midline. Pretty sure that's going to keep going higher. Unless it did want to just take out this level here, just in case. Let's go to M1. Look at that. What's it doing? Just in case, do you want to short? Let's have a look at the news again for Swiss. What was it? Retail sales year on year. Previous 1.5, forecast 0, actual 2.7. That was actually good for Swiss franc. Don't know why it weakened. Okay, yeah, then the news come out. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. But it's not hilarious. Build up, sweep, and now it's going to continue to push down. That's hilarious, man. Okay, so what's this about the Bank of Japan Governor Ueda? The steps in government package could push up growth and theoretically underlying inflation. They're hard to say now by how much, which is a bullish sentiment for yen, to be fair. It's kind of more of a bullish based sentiment. So that's interesting. Oi. It's been my day. Let's have a look at all the other accounts we've got now as well then quickly. So you've got the ACG 10k, ACG 5k, both in phase 2, around 1%, 2%, 2% drawdown, which is fine. ACG 200k, one step, obviously that's indeed drawdown because of the absolutely horrendous spread. Aqua funded 2-step 5k, literally I'm 1% away from passing, getting funded on that. FTMO phase 1 up 3%. FX Pig is FXify, so 3-step 100k phase 1 brand new account. Another 3-step phase 1 200k account as well, break even. Quantecal 3rd step 10k, I just need to make 2% on that and I'm funded on that, so just $200. Funded 50k, I'm up 3.2%. Need to make 0.5% to buy when? I got 2 days and 11 hours to make 0.5%. If I don't do it, it's fine. I don't really care. I'm gonna get that payout regardless anyway. And this is a 200k Quantecal account, phase 1 up 2, 4, 6, 8, 4%. So I just need to make another 4%, which is easy enough on a 0.5% risk. I think it's 0.5% risk on that account. So yeah, just kind of seeing how price action goes. So anyway, let's just go to M2 on pound USD, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Let's see what happens now. Because on M1 you could say higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Could say. So let's see where we're gonna go now in terms of price action. I don't like EU's price action, a bit chippy choppy. Okay, yen's coming down. It's coming for that first level, it's fine. Personally, I would have preferred price kind of come up, take this level out, then give me an opportunity to hop into some shorts. But obviously, if price doesn't want to give me what I want, then I just have to sit and wait. That's all. It's fine because my patience is like a rock. Anyway. Oh shoot, yeah. Let's go back to TradingView now. Oops. Trading. There you go. Pound is far weaker than euro. if you see price remain flat, it is what it is. It's Monday, innit? So after holiday and stuff like that, so see what happens. Nah, just you, bro. Welcome. Karibu Ndugu.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Just me and you for now. I've got another account, by the way. 100k 3-step again with FXify. They had a 65% discount. Couldn't say no to that. Considering I bought 200k on a 40% discount, this was a far better deal, man. So ended up grabbing another account, by the way. So now I'm at my goal, 986k. I'm gonna call that pretty much a mail in challenges / funding, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not gonna buy any more challenges now, and I'm just gonna start banking profits and building my personal account. Still respecting demand zone.
Going to FT, UK to withdraw financing for Total's Mozambique LNG project.
This is what I'm talking about, bro. Like I said it before, I wanted to get like that 2 million funding ASAP, but it's proving to be more difficult purely because of the Quantecol firm having all these rules on. Like I'm on that 50k account, bro, and just freaking it's just annoying to just get a damn payout. So if I'm relying on the 100k alone, it's just going to be more difficult to rely on just one account. Because on the 50k I'm risking more than I would on the 100k account because it's a 50k account and I got it for free. Whereas the 100k account I'm paying for it. So technically I'm trading like 200k worth, if that makes sense, because I'm doubling the risk on the 100k, the 50k. But if I'm not even going to get the payouts because of all these stupid rules, then it's just making it near on impossible for me to kind of meet the goals I want in the way I wanted to. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit with the 980k. I'm just gonna call it a mail. That for me is close enough to a mail. I'm just gonna try and get all these passed, and every pay I get from this, from whatever I've got right now, the 150k is just gonna go to my personal account. And that's pretty much it really. Until I pass all these accounts, then I'll go for the next mill worth of challenges, and then I think it was the max capital I could have. It was 2.77. So I'll just go for the next mail, and then I'll probably just do another half and then sit at 2.5 mil, and then I'll call it a day. Since there's no regulations, they just do whatever if they want. Yeah, and this is the issue. And there's traders becoming highly profitable, they start changing all the rules and making the regulations different and stuff like that. And that's where trading becomes quite annoying / difficult. So yeah, and as I said, these market conditions are definitely not ideal for anyone really as well. So it's like if you're making success in these markets, these prop firms know they are going to be exceptional traders. I'm not saying about me, I'm talking about others, although I am kind of exceptional. So yeah, I think there's a bit of that going on. So yeah. This becomes the problem with prop firms. I'm just hoping that now we're at 745 and we just took this high. Oh wait a second. It's 745.
Well, hello,
We've just taken Asia midline. We got this low and this low, Frankfurt right there, and we got this low here. Is London? Oh, wait a second. Could this be a short? Let's have a look if we're gonna get an opportunity for a short. And then also Euros right near. Euros not near this, right near this high as well. Which would be beautiful to see London open, take that, and then drop down. That would be beautiful. But yeah, Francis is just trying to build my own account. Can't be asked with all this bollocks. The PSU turned up. They're big, man. They're big, bulky, and heavy. I was like, yo, this got some weight on it. I did not expect the PSU to be as heavy as what it is. Like, yo. I'm going M1 and get ready to short this bad boy. Now, let's be realistic. Price could come up, take this high and these two highs here and drop from there instead of taking this invalid zone. But I would prefer it takes it, of course. I would prefer it comes up, takes that zone. Yeah, the PSU's got some freaking weight on it, man. But you know what? I love Corsair, man. Like, I like Corsair stuff, bro. It's like a big yellow box of Corsair with the RM1000E. I was like, ooh! Ooh! Super excited, man. Super excited. I've been looking for some RAM and stuff on like Facebook Marketplace and stuff. That guy with the 64 gig doesn't seem to reply. Does it come with braided cables? I don't know, but it's fully modular. Corsair 1000E 3.1 platinum. It's a platinum. It should come with all the relevant wiring. The only thing is I want white wiring, so I might need to buy the white adapters or white wiring for it. Because obviously you're not going to see the PSU is going to be hidden anyway. But I want the wiring all to be white, so I might need to buy like some adapter cable or... Actually, no, I'm going to buy the RGB cable mod. Okay. The cable, yeah, okay. Yeah, because I have heard about poor cables, quality cables can be problematic and stuff, actually, yeah. Oh, suck your mother, man. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, that was right. That is a build-up sweep and now continuation to the downside. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm glad that happened. You broke structure here, straight away tagged back into this zone. Price action's really bad so far, really bad. Okay, we just touched the invalid zone on euro. I want that to fail. That's obviously gonna be a nope. Is this yeah, it is. Let's look at gold. I wanted to buy gold, so how's that going? Oh yeah, it went really well. Yup, that's going well. So come down, took these lows, left an invalid zone there, left an invalid zone there, build up, expansion outwards, take these lows, bullish price action. show me the RGB strips. I want everything RGB. Oh God, what's happening here? Got a bit of a drop there on the yen and on the CHF. Hello. Send the link. Send the link. Send the link. I thought you were gonna never look at gold again. Nah. What I meant was look at gold again with like someone else's strategy. If it's my own strategy, I'm still gonna follow it. Hi, Saki I'm Bashy. Hello. Hello. Ni hao, babao. What I need, babao.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Is that a ni hao? Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Ni hao. How are you? What are you doing?
Yeah, I know.
Ni hao. How are you? What are you doing?
I'm gonna add that just for you, bro.
Ni hao.
Yeah, I'm adding that just for you, bro. The ni hao is just for you. Why is it not in the soundboard? Where did it go? Add to soundboard. First soundboard. Added to soundboard. There you go. We got the ni hao for you. Yeah. Let's have a look then. So RGB. Ooh, oh, it's just like it's RGB strips. Yeah, I'm not bothered about that. That's not all that cracked up to be. Cable mod X. Nah. Have they got like RGB connectors? Like RGB connectors for like the PSU and the board and stuff like that. It's just all RGB. That would be cool. But anyway, yeah, Francis, that's what I was saying. I'm not following anyone's signals ever again. Never again. But yeah, that was a trade here, but it's like freaking 5:30 in the morning, man. I won't sleep in it. So cut. I won't sleep. Elon Musk did a podcast. Oh my God. Amal is here early. Welcome, bro. Welcome, brother.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
There's Asia horse. Asian. That company, man. Asian or Asia horse. Was he in the podcast? He was absolutely whacked. He's like, woo. That guy's a nut job. That guy's an absolute nut job. He drank lots of coffee. Yeah. He's an insane person, man. Hey, so obviously I did say I wanted shorts, and look what happened. It just I didn't even let me go in or anything. So thank you, you stupid, for not letting me get in the trade. You stupid. Okay, now I'm gonna try to look for some type of possible reversal after that big drop there, in the hopes that this move is for London Open to come catch all of this and then continue higher. Because yen, I would like for London Open to come down, take these lows, come up, take all these highs, come up, take this high here. So yeah, just catch like, so as long as this is, I'll get 35 pips at least. I'll get partials at least. I might not get TP2. Because Asia midline's all the way there. If I can hit TP2 to 70 pips, that's 82. That's kind of ideal. So as long as I can get around 70, then that's TP2 done on yen. I'll be willing to do that. Let's just hope everything works out that I would prefer. and then we can get into that caffeine high week. yeah, that's weak, bro. That's weak. Okay, so we tagged M5 demand zone. Price is going to continue going bullish from here now, I'm guessing. Yeah, it is going down the toilet. It's doing a, like, GBP is doing a freaking massive where's the soundboard? Yeah, that's what it's doing right now. A massive a big down the toilet. I have my own soundboard. I can do it myself. Wait a second. Where was that low that I got? Oh, all the way up here. I mean, odds are it's gonna come kind of take these lows anyway, so it's fine. I do like the look at this because if you look at this, yeah, you've got a supply zone here with all of that channel above it. I actually do really like this sort of price action. This is like one of my favorite entry models, man. You got a channel just above a invalid zone. Oh, I love it. But the issue is it's so close to us right here that it could easily just do this and then not give me an entry and then just kind of fail and then pull back and then just fly without giving an entry anywhere, because it's happened before, hasn't it, quite a few times. So that could happen easily. I would prefer to get this so you can enter in here, trade up to this level, get a reaction, take that zone out and just fly up. I would prefer that. Now, if for example we do get it where price comes up and then pulls back into a demand zone, I wouldn't mind taking a second entry, which I rarely do. And then that's if I'm in profit and break even on this trade. I don't mind taking it on here. And if I do take an L there, then what I'll do is I'll roll stop loss on this to cover for the loss on here, if that makes sense. I'll cover it for 1R. That way I've lost no money on that trade and I've maximized opportunity of getting in again. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, anyway, let's keep waiting. Where are we? 7:58. So you got what, 1-2 minutes till London Open. So what's London Open gonna do? I would like to see this be the reaction and then the failure. And if we do take that zone out and drop all the way down, I want to try and do like a London Open entry, try and get into shorts then on pound. I would like to see euro follow that, just because I don't want a short pound if euro is still flying all the way up. If you know what I mean. But the pound is far weaker, so it's kind of like at the same time. I'll have a look with you guys. I looked earlier, it was not good. It was not good. Not good at all. So we'll have a look in a minute. Yeah. I prefer those discussions on live stream because I can get more involved. But yeah. Okay, so hello. There you go, London Open. Let's see what you're gonna do. There you go, it's opened. Now here where it gets confusing, yeah? If London Open comes and takes that zone, could that be London Open taking the zone to push higher? You know what I mean? It's a bit confusing, man. But then what I said earlier makes sense as well. I want London to come take that zone to show it failed. I like what it did on yen. I really like what it did on yen. Oh, damn it. Now I would like for it to do some bullish price action now. Here's where we're gonna see, is it gonna, or is it going to, or is it not going to? You know what I mean? The zone hasn't failed. London opens come down, took all these lows, left these highs available. Actually, I am short on euro and pound for this. Yeah, you can be, because I only trade M1 anyway, remember? I only really trade like that 1-2 hour worth of volume you get in London Open and that 1-2 hour you get in New York, so I don't really mind. Like, if everyone's selling, I'm happy buying. If everyone's buying, I'm happy selling. With that being said, if everyone's buying, I'm also happy to buy, and if everyone's selling, I'm also happy to sell. But yeah, I'm very intraday M1. You know, the way I view price, as long as I can forecast about 2 hours worth of price action, that's all I need. Okay, attack the supply zone. Lower, high, low, higher, high, high, lower, low. Wait, is that a break? Won't even tell. I would say that's an equal low. High, low, higher, high, high, low, higher, high, high, equal low, lower, high, lower, low. London Open, come tag that zone in the second minute of the open, right there. And then, oh shoot, let's reverse that. Yeah. Okay, there, and have like a 2-3 pip stop, and now that should drop. Should, but I don't know for sure. Now, lower low, lower high, lower low, but still in this invalid zone. Need that zone to fail. What's CHF doing? CHF is obviously continuing its fall. Okay, we've just taken Asia low. Yeah, that's the good thing about the way I trade CS, is that everyone can have their own bias and I can just do my own thing. Like that's why I like it, because I don't listen to other traders. I don't listen to anyone else. I don't let anyone else influence me. I just view price action in my own way. Because, you know, a lot of the time traders kind of get oh, that trader said this, I might need to follow what he says because he's profitable. You know, that whole situation. I don't know what you'd even call it. Influenced, I suppose. Yeah, influenced, I guess. They get very easily influenced. You know what? This is a good demand zone. This is a nice looking demand zone.
Bank of Japan say waited to deliver speech at Caden Ren on December 25th.
Bit big, but I do like it because this zone came, took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lows, broke structure here, and led to a higher low that led to a higher high. So that zone looks actually quite nice, bro, to long from. The price might want to even come down to that low, to that demand zone, which I prefer it does. If it does, I'll be happy. Okay, so yeah, everyone's trade individual and own responsibility for, yeah, and this is the time frame they trade and the way they trade. I'm targeting a high RR, but just in London Open, etc, you know, the way you trade and stuff. So now you could short from here, but it's a 1 minute entry and I just can't take a trade within 1 minute. I'll have to give that a miss. Lower high, lower low, lower high, low. I do like this zone here for a potential short. That's 2.6, so I'll have to probably do 3.5 realistically. Actually, no. Yeah, that's okay. But now I've got to be careful and think, is that London Open taking this zone to push higher? Or is that London Open just following this order flow here? Ooh, this is the difficulty. It's not so clean as I would prefer, but then you don't get price action like that every day anyway. I'd rather just sit out and wait, because I'm happy if it's not completely accurate, then I'm just happy to say nope. Good question. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And see why patience is really good, because if you can't decipher it to an absolute, you know, time is really important. What time did this thing happen, etc, etc. Okay, so we tagged into this, we had a reaction. Would this be London going for this invalid zone on Euro USD? The answer is it's unknown. Oh, look at that, that zone did fail. I'm guessing it tagged the SL as well. Oh no, I think it just made an equal high or something and then it tagged. But yeah, there you go, now it failed. Yep. Happy days. Was there a way to get long? Nope, it just flew up. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Is price gonna respect this supply zone, or is it gonna respect this demand zone? Now here's what I've got to figure out to kind of pick direction. So let's look at price action. Yeah, actually I'm just seeing now this channel, 1 touch, 2 touch, that got manipulated out the market. London Open, oh my god, longs. Oh my god, that looks like longs. The volume, okay, London Open come, took out this channel, took out this invalid zone. Yeah, we got lovely volume coming in there. We got a Frankfurt high right here. We've just tagged and taken, Frankfurt. Oh my god, we just taken Frankfurt low. This is why it's good to sit back and review price action. I'm more keen on going long. I am way more keen on going long. Please give me price action for this, man. Like clean price action. I'm seeing it a bit more better now as well, actually. So a bunch of lows that got taken on London Open and then price flew up. That should fail. Yeah, this is looking clean now. Yep, take it. Now the issue becomes, where do we go from here? Yeah, $18 is okay, man. You know, one thing I say, get rid of money on trading. Like, you know, when you're trading, get rid of it showing money and just get it to show pips or percentage, and just say, oh, I just took a 0.25% loss or whatever. Just do it in percentages. It's way more better for you psychologically. Okay, so it's coming to take this low into, let's just do that. It's taking this low into this demand zone. Yeah, come on, come to papa. Yeah, because when you look at money, it psychologically messes everyone up. Other people say, nah bro, I'm not bothered about it, it's trading, I'm alright. Deep down, bro, I lost $1,000. If it's 1%, it's it's only 1%. Like, it's not the end of the world. Psychologically, it helps a lot. That was unexpected from Euro. No, but it makes sense. Like, even I was like, I want that zone to fail. It's generating liquidity here right now, yeah? London Open on the minute, come to call that zone out, made a lower high, tagged that demand zone and just flew past that level. Literally textbook. It's really clean, actually. It was really clean. I did say I wanted that zone to fail because price tagged it and gave a reaction. And then it generated a bunch of this and then took it and then flew up. Yep, exactly. Reading price action is important. The reason I'm suspicious on pound is because it's so weak. It's so weak right now. Yeah, just say to yourself, I have a win rate, which means I have losing rate. That's it, no problem. Okay, lower high, lower low, high high high. Oh damn. So wait. Where is it?
Why so weak? So weak.
I like that one, man. Why so weak? So weak. Hiya. It's not really flying, it's just London Open volume kicking in, isn't it? It's only like what, how much pip move? Oh, 15 pip move. It's not a lot. Remember, M1 can be like deceiving. That could look like it's flying, but it's not. It's just doing what it should kind of do. It's decent. Yeah, 15 pips, I mean 15, 16 pips is definitely not bad, but still it's not, yeah, you know. Just draw everything out in the correct way so I don't get confused. They are not so good for the pound, but let's see where this takes us. We didn't fail that zone, did we? Oh, we didn't fail. The zone's still holding. Okay, that means it's gonna come out and take it in a second. Right, I do like the look of this. The only issue we have is we are right near the M5 invalid zone. Concern I have is, what if price kind of does break structure, give me an entry, tag the zone, and you see how here price kind of, I love it when invalid zones do this. You have a pool of, I hate the word liquidity because it's such a fake word, man, but you've got like this level here that was generated, price took that level and then the zone failed, yeah, or is due for failure any second now. So it's suspicious that price could break structure, tag back into this, come there, then it might take my entry out even after I've gone break even, take my entry out, or even come take out this low and then take that zone out. It looks like it's continuing to drop though, so that's interesting. Let's just wait and see what's happening here. Let's go on M1 for GBPCHF, because I would like to see a short-term buy. It might even be like a little move just to the midline, so like just a long up to here, which is how many pips? 20. That's enough for me to catch TP1 at least. So this demand zone might give a little trade on GBPCHF. We just see how that goes in a second. Okay, we've made the low. Oh, I'm happy with that. We've balanced all the price action. Lovely push up, contraction on the way down, balancing price. Hopefully lovely push. Oh yeah, if you get a lovely push up again and then contraction on the way down, that's my ideal type of price action. Best sell location for pound account to you. Huh? What do you mean, Amal? I don't understand. Okay, there you go. It failed. There, it just failed. It just failed. So now you can delete that of that there. Buyers are still in this market right now on euro.
Manufacturing PMI.
Best location for sells
51.5, 51.5.
I would say Asia high, or this high here at 132, 132.546. Okay, I like the look of this, man. I'm really liking the look of this. The only issue I see is the entry might be a little bit sticky. To the demand zone, took that level out. That demand zone is valid to go long from, How many pippers is it? Pippers? How many pippers are you? How many pippers are you? So I would probably do 3 on that. But price has kind of already tagged it in 1-2 minutes anyway, so I can't really take anything from there now. I see that we're generating this right here. Is price gonna do this? I would prefer it. Or it could just kind of like just keep going higher. I'm just sat waiting. Okay, look at that. That is lovely, bro. I just wish I had an extra minute to just see that and get into it. Because that happened quick. Look at that. Look at that. Buys are still the way to go right now. The volume's still on the long side. As I said, if I had another minute just to kind of get that, I would have taken it. But I think this is the one problem you get with M1. You get 1 minute, price can just kind of break structure and just come straight back in your demand zone. And you might be looking at GU for 1 minute, gbpjpy for 2 minutes, gbpchf for like 1, 2, 3 minutes, and you could quite easily just miss a trade. So it's kind of annoying. I'm happy that I got out with a very small stop loss. Yeah, don't be happy. Remember, why are you happy? You just took a L. It is what it is. Khalas, continue your trading. That's it, done. There's no need for like, oh, I'm happy this happened, or no, just, relax. Everything must be psychological, if you get me. Damn, 3.4, that would be a 4. 3.4 is 4, that'd be 0.6. Oh, karibu undugu. Mambo VP. Where is it?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
You shouldn't be happy when you make a profit either. You should just be doing your job. Like, just think of it like that. Like, oh, I'm just doing my job. Why am I going to be emotional? I'm just doing my job. Like that. Discord, what are you saying? These prop films, I swear to God, man, they flipping annoy me. You ask him to help you out something. Oh, can you leave a review on the Trustpilot? Why? I've not even got a payout from you, bro. Freaking, and you want to leave a Trustpilot review? I'll leave a pilot review and I get payout in it. I say, what's wrong with these prop firms, man? You ask them for help and they say leave a Trustpilot review. Kiss my ass. Stupid. Honestly. I think I'm gonna have to go to 30-second on GU just because, oh god, it's just as bad on the 30-second chart. I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to take it from there, bro. So what's that? 40. You calm yourself down, yeah, Halil. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, just because I was looking at a trade in here and he's just straight up turned up, yeah, because I'm looking for the entry and then he just sends the eyes in it.
PMI forecast 49.7 on the prior.
Smell the signal from miles, yeah. That's this guy, man. I swear, man.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
The guy's the biggest idiot I know. I'm gonna take that. Nah, I pray I don't get swerved. Pending, trading. Ask for confirmation, yes. Magic number, where's hit trade? Buy limit. How many lots is this? Yeah, 9 lots. Okay, come on. So limit set on GU. Let's be careful of what Euro is doing in case Euro shows some type of invalidation. Damn it, let's have a quick glance at Euro. Should you tick on 100k account? One second. Too many accounts. What was it? GU, yeah? Yes, it was. So where was it? 45? And the SL was how many pips? It was 40, wasn't it? Damn it. Damn it, it's already in. I'm in on all the accounts, I think. Yeah. All the accounts are in. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. I want to see that keep going higher on Euro. I got 1% risk on the 100k account, so let's see how this goes, because 1% risk on the 100k is quite a bit, in all honesty. Okay, we got a far better trigger, because the entry was supposed to be at 40, but we got it at 32. This could be an L. We'll see in a second.
Five minutes until we get Swiss manufacturing PMI. Forecast 49.7 on the prior 48.2.
It's not looking good, but we need patience. Obviously, this entry would have been better on the on Euro, but obviously we couldn't get it on Euro, could we? So we're just looking at whatever we're getting now on here. So let's see how this goes.
you're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financial.
I'd love to see this big volume push up and give me a break even. I'm happy with that.
67% on a subscription.
That's lovely price action right there. Something like that. But this could easily be manipulation to get me out of this trade. So I need to be very patient with this. Need to be very patient. Yeah, basic, he's playing, you know. The disconcerting thing is that obviously I wanted it on Euro, but I couldn't really get it. That's kind of the concerning issue. It'd be lovely if I catch a break even, because on the 100k kind of got almost 1% risk, so let's see what happens in it. Gotta have faith in the trade, man. I'm gonna drop down to 15-second chart so I can just see what price is doing. Yep, there we go. We got slapped. We got slapped. There you go. Typical. Absolutely typical. That looks like it swerved our SL as well, possibly. Let me just check all the accounts. How bad of a slap was that? Oh god. So on the 100k it was a 0.6% loss. So let's go to the trade copier and just do 1.7%. So it's about 0.5. The 200k lost, yeah, a bit much as well. So how much is that supposed to be? 1,000. We just come in a bit higher than that, so we'll do 1.6 on there. And now that should be more accurate or closer to 1.5% risk. And then even with
1 minute to go for Swiss manufacturing PMI.
Even with the FTMO dropping that down as well, because that was a bit higher than what it should have been. The 50k. Huh? 50k managed to make money. Probably because the entry was better. It had a better entry on the 50k, which is fine. And on the 200k, what? What? On the 200k I made money as well. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that because the entry was far better. Yeah, that makes sense. The entry was far better on there. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And then we had 500 loss on there on the 200k card. That's fine. Should I switch to the 15-second chart? Yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? I literally wanted this trade on Euro, yeah, and obviously it kind of happened really quickly and flew off. Gave break even and stuff like that, and then when I take it on GU, quite naturally is the one that's gonna fail. So this is what happens in trading, man. Like, what can you do? You can't even make this up. Like, this is the issue you have with trading. Like, these things happen, bro, and you have to accept it, or you're just gonna get cooked. So I'll take that on the chin. Let's go on the M1 and then just take a picture of that for Discord and stuff. Download saved. Perfect. And then So what's the account balance now? So commissions, so it was 0.8% plus commissions 0.9, so almost 1% down, almost 1% on the 100k, which is fine because I was down 2-3% before, and then I took one trade and I made it all back. So yeah, it's not the end of the world, I suppose. I'm just gonna lock all this down so that trade stays on TradingView. So it looks like shorts were the way to go, really, because look at that. Took that level out, dropped down. Yes, we had the opportunity for long here, but lower high, lower low. Yes, there's a high was taking that zone out to a higher low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yeah, I suppose, yeah, it happens in a man. You get manipulated out of the market, or you just get cooked. I got cooked, but no problem. I want to keep my charts clean, so put that there. And then euro is just hilarious because look at that, man. This sucker's up 2.3 or whatever. I would have, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. It is what it is. Let's look at look for a possible reversal on GBPCHF for longs. One second, I've got a message from Funded Next. I asked them a question, so it might be about my question. I'll find out what they said. I keep that open there. Yen's giving a move now. CHF is doing nothing. Euro is now starting to fall. After pound did its fall about here. We go on M1. We just start doing the fall. Yeah, start doing it around about here, and then now Euro is following. soon I switch to the 15-second chart. Lol. Wait.
Alaikum salam.
Oh man.
Why so weak? So weak.
This is one thing I never understand about traders, man. How can they not handle losses, bro, when you're trading? Like, do you think you got 100% win rate? I'm gonna keep looking for another trade. You know how I normally say price does a 15 to 20 pip move and then it reverses? Price did a 17 pip move and then it reversed. Lol, that is so funny, bro. So funny. So sellers are in control the whole time. I seen a buy come in because see that happened first, yeah. That zone failed. It took this level out. Yeah, I'm not even bothered anymore. I just look at it from a learning curve. Like, can I learn from that? If you know what I mean. Like, how can I improve that thing? .9% win rate. Takes a loss, has a panic attack. Because that is clean price action, bro. But I just got had this time, innit? So I think, was this a valid loss? Was this a valid trade? Pricecom took that zone out. That failed. That failed. London Open gave volume, gave a 15 pip move. Yeah. This is a tricky one because you got both sides of the price action wise. Build up, took that in London Open, big volume coming up, contraction, volume pushing up again, with that candle there, contraction, pushing up again, and then it just slowly contracted back, which made me think, yeah, sure, price action wise it looks valid. Data wise, London Open for the first half hour, oh god, yeah, it is about half hour as well. Yeah, for the first half hour to an hour, there's a 15 to 20 pip move, then does a reversal, which is what happened here. So it's kind of both sides played right, data and price action, but they're on the opposite side of where they should be, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm happy with that trade, man. I can't argue. I'm happy with that trade. Euro would have been far better though, obviously, because on Euro it would have been enough for me to get the 50k payout. And wait a second, how much money did I make on the 50k? Wait a second. It ain't gonna be 250, is it? Yeah, no, it's not. It's 70. I made a teeny bit of profit. I suppose. And then on the 200k, how much did I make on the 200k? 550. Okay, so what price did it trigger me in at? 230. And this was 32. Huh? How does that make sense? Yeah, there's quite a bit of price variation there for some reason. I'm not sure why, but that's fine. It dropped. Yeah, it did. It did. You know, when you can handle taking losses, bro, it just makes you a far better trader. Like, far better. Let's see what yen and CHF are doing. Build up, sweet, broke structure, build up, Sweet. Broke structure. Longs look clear there. Pound. Build up. Sweet. Broke structure. Price come up. Sweep to this. Broke structure. Broke structure. But then this generated liquidity. Sweeped it. Broke structure here. Created internal high low. Broke structure again. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm not sure. But Euro is selling off quite well now. Now let's see. Was there a way to get in short on that? Not necessarily. No, there wasn't a way to get short on there. So is it considered as a fake out? That's what I'm trying to think, innit? This is a fake out, yeah. Euro is clearly done a fake out of Asia high, yeah. That's clearly a fake out. But for me, I normally don't like when price takes Asia high and then it sells off. I like it where it takes a high above that. So if you got Asia high here, and then you've got like New York high here, and then price took out New York high, then I prefer that as opposed to taking out Asia high, just because sometimes that doesn't really work well. Price can still keep going. Let's tag the invalid zone now.
Less than a minute to go for Italian manufacturing PMI.
Yoi, welcome. Just took a
50
quick
spot 6, 50 spot 6.
loss, my guy. Quick loss. Wait, what time was that trade? 8:23. 8:23. 8:23. 8:23. This manufacturing. 8:30. There's no news there, which is fine. I just want to make sure I didn't get slapped by news.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I love that. Oof. I like the look of this. Aha. Eh? What the hell's happened here? What did I just do? Yeah, there. So did I somehow delete it? Oh, what the hell? Okay, yeah. I was like, yo, what's happening here? I think price is still bullish, you know, on euro. Because if we're following price action, buyers are in control of this market. Build-up sweep continuation. Build-up sweep continuation. Then yes, you had this bit of price action down here, but it's just tagged into a demand zone here. And then you got this, all this M5 looks like an invalid zone, to be fair. Unless obviously price continues bearish, but if you start to see bullish confirmation, then yeah.
5 minutes until we get French manufacturing PMI.
How long? Need to be careful because the news in it. 1 minute, and then you got German and Eurozone as well. Okay, German and Eurozone. Too big.
$47.8 as expected for French manufacturing PMI.
They need to turn that down because that is really loud sometimes. So come out as forecasted. Germans coming out in 5 minutes. higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, drops all the way back down into a demand zone, makes a lower high, then a higher low, and continues going up. I think that just kind of comes down to just take out all the buyers and then continue going back up again. So early buyers, if that makes sense. I'm suspicious of pound after it shafted me. I want yen to do that, tag back in a demand zone, take a long. After it took out this low, start to see volume coming in. Come on, yen, give me something clean, mate. "20 seconds for Germany news."
$48.2 for German manufacturing PMI final. Lower than forecast 48.4.
Okay. Eurozone in 5 minutes. Catch a TP, get a payout. Same as always. Balanced into that demand zone. What's it gonna do now? And we left equal highs here. Oh dear. See, if this here, yeah, in London Open, took out these highs and dropped down, I wouldn't have taken this long. Because that'd have been London Open signaling to me to go short. It didn't do that. Yeah, now it's up 2.2%, which is fine. It's supposed to be 0.5% risk. It's like 0.65, so I just turned the risk down a little bit on the trade copy.
Eurozone manufacturing PMI final.
And I turned the trade copy down on the 200k and the 100k I bought from FXify as well, because it did a bit more risk than what I wanted. We're getting a huge diversion between euro and pound, man. I'm have to trade them individually. Because the reason I longed pound is because euro is saying, look, you know, we're going long and stuff like that. But because they're getting a big divergence, I need to think about how to now trade pound USD versus euro USD. If you catch what I'm thinking.
49.6, 49.6. Low than forecast 49.7.
Okay. Now we got free news till 9:30. I just want to look at these two side by side. Build up, come down, took the high here, made a higher low here, pushed up here, higher low, higher high, higher low, failed to make a high, and that's where I entered on the pound, and then they both fell off together. Right, okay. This tagged that demand zone. That was a lower low. That was a lower high, but that was a higher low. High, 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 low, higher, high. Okay. So the entry on euro 4 longs was here. By the time I was looking on pound over here, we've seen price didn't break the high on euro, so then I took an L. Interesting. Interesting. these zones look too big for me, man. Come on, Price. What are you doing? Ugh. Lovely start to the week with an L, by the way. What are you guys in? Are you guys in anything right now? There's got to be a gold trade, surely. Not trading today. Yeah. How come? Conditions aren't right. Yeah. It's alright, bro. Just laugh at me instead. Pure while later. Yeah. So you think it's gonna come out good then? I mean, it probably will, because the growth on the US has been really good, to be fair. Like really good growth in the USA. I mean, XAU from 39. Okay. Yeah. So from... Oh, right here. Yeah. Oh, I did one longs. You see it on the chart. I drew it here. I did one longs, but the entry was like way too early, man. Way too early. And if I go to M1, was there anything? Doubt there was. Yeah, there wasn't really anything available on M1. So yeah, couldn't have really taken it. Yeah, I wanted it from here though, but obviously I couldn't get it. I'll delete that. I'll keep the invalid zone there, because that should fail. 10 minutes ago. Yeah. Right there. Which is like 10-15 minutes, yeah. Good luck, man. That should keep going. Right, you will keep going up, hopefully. I think it will, yeah. I just don't like this price action. Oh god, look at that, all the way over here. GJ looks like he's gonna go bullish, so I feel like I want to take longs. Just waiting for the right time. Euro USD I think still has a bit more upside, just a bit more. Pound USD I don't know. You know, because the pound, yeah, in its unique situation that it currently has, I'm just kind of like, what do I do? What do I do with the pound? Because I don't know. Because of this abnormal situation. Keep on it. I think pound's gonna probably keep dropping, and then euro is gonna possibly keep going up. Let's look at euro GBP. Oh god. There's a likelihood that euro pound might still continue to keep going stronger. Possibly, I've not looked at it for a while. How does it look? How does it look? What's it at now? Let's have a look. $86 minus 5%. I think it was like 85.99 at some point. VIX is back up to 19, 18, basically 18 thingy, up 9%, 9.6. That's interesting. CHF JPY, CHF is far weaker than JPY today. Interesting. No, why did I click that? No, I'm gonna have to reorder it now. Damn it. Okay, Euro GBP, VIX, Bitcoin, US 30. There. Euro JPY. Euro CHF, AUD JPY, AUD CHF, AUD USD, CHF JPY. We'll do that at the top. That's better. Had a panic attack then. For you. For you. That's the one, my bro. Anyway, I know the yen is strengthening because the Japanese bonds are flying through the roof or something like that, which is going to make it hard for them to cut rates and stuff if they wanted to do cuts and keep the yen weak, which is why yen's outperforming the CHF. GJ's going. Oh, DSLs are huge. DSLs are huge on yen. Oh wow, not ideal. So you could have entered off of here, yeah, because you could have said, okay, so high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, high, low, higher, high. Then price dropped, tagged into this demand zone, made a lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, and then take it from there. Well, it was a 3.5 pip SL on euro. I don't like that on euro because it doesn't have as much volume as pound. So I was looking at that and thinking about it. Then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna take that. Just because we've just seen price fall all the way off a cliff on pound. I just need to wait and just be a bit more confident in the next setup. I'll have a cleaner setup. That's better actually. Yeah, cleaner setup. Boys, hit like if you haven't done it. Thank you. I wonder where Sahad is, Mr. Pip Analyst. I message him on Discord. Can't see anything on the payout list of his name being approved or his payout being approved, so I think he's not been paid out yet. Oh dear. Come on, man. Aye. Price tagged in, come down, took out this low. Now hopefully it pushes up. It looks like it's gonna go up, but I'm suspicious of the pound weakness in it. But it's going up really well right now. From this low, it's gone up 21 pips almost, 20.6. It's done a 22 pip move already after it took me the hell out, you asshole.
In 5 minutes time we get to UK manufacturing PMI final. Forecast 50 spot 2 on the prior 50 spot 2. UK mortgage lending, forecast 4.5 billion on the prior 5.489 billion. Mortgage approvals forecast 64.5k on the prior 65.944k.
Sahad's not been paid yet because he's still waiting, and there's 3 other traders waiting as well. So let's see what happens with that. Now we've come up, taken these highs, so you could say this here, 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Less than a minute to go, I'll begin with UK manufacturing PMI final. to task Putin to meet with Witkoff on Tuesday afternoon.
Okay, 20 seconds.
Fifty spot two as expected. Mortgage lending 4.273 billion, 4.273 billion, lower than forecast 4.5 billion.
Right, how
UK
is
mortgage approvals 65.018k, 65.018k. Higher than forecast 64.5k. Bank of England consumer credit 1.119 billion, 1.119 billion, lower than forecast 1.3 billion. M4 money supply minus 0.2%, minus 0.2%.
manufacturing PMI was okay, mortgage lending dropped down, mortgage approvals went up a tiny bit. Bank of England consumer credit, don't know how important that is. Right, we're clear now till 1:30. No, 2:30. No, 3 o'clock. Right, I need to find a clean trade. They apparently, QT saying that they had 1 million people look on the website with all the discounts in it. Did you see the announcement? Man. So we got 1, 2, 3 equal highs there pretty much. Now we just come down, take this low. Is it gonna push up or is it gonna keep just dilly-dallying around? Right, 9:33. What's gonna happen, man? build up, pushing down to continue up, I reckon. We got this whole channel built up here on GU. Right, let's check the spreads on these accounts now then. How's it looking, man? Also, how much is their commissions? How much was the 200k account? It was 30. Let's check the commissions then. Okay, so oh shoot, wrong one. So we're looking at 15 lots divided by 90 is 8. It's wrong way around, isn't it? 90 divided by 15. $6 a lot. That's not so bad, but it's a bit more on the pricey side. But it's not that bad. Ah, he's here. Shalom, shalom. Shalom. L'chaim, l'chaim.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Brother Sahad is here. He's had this $60,000 payout. Go on, big man. He's buying everyone accounts. Takbir. Where is it? Where is it? There's the L I took right there. And here's where you could have got the entry right here on your end. Just flew straight up and then pew, and then carried on going up slowly. Yeah, price action is really bad today. Last year was good. Last year, December was really good price action. Decembers are normally quite bad, but I think at the moment you got a lot of volume in the market because there's so many crazy things happening. That's why I don't mind trading it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. The next 1-2 weeks, so this week, next week, and the week after, basically the week Christmas is gonna be bad. Everything I blame it on QT. Yeah, they're so bad. Might be till. So yeah, that's what I think anyway, man. I'm alright, bro. I've got my 3 payouts in it. I'm happy, bro. I managed to get funded and get payouts within 1 year of trading. I'm happy, bro. No blown accounts. I can't ask for more than that. Hopefully, we got good PA next 4 months. The first quarter tends to be quite bad of the year. Tends to be, but I think trumping all these statistics and stuff like that. I think, yeah, we might get good January, February. The first 1 month, the first 2 weeks of January is going to be slow. But then after that should be good. Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy anyway, man. Pip analyst, I got 1 million in challenges now. I'll show you real quick. Not that. Here we go. 983k I've got. 983k right there. So ACG 200k, 5k, 10k, 5k, 100k, 100k, 200k, 200k, 50, 10k, 50k, and then I got funded next 100k on my phone. So I got 900. I think it works out to 985k. I think anyway. No, ignore that. 975k, because this is a demo account of trading as a master in it, so you can just replace that for the copier. So yeah, not about 970k with the challenges and 150s funded, and QT phase 1, FTMO phase 1 both in profit quite a bit. Rest of the accounts are in a minimal drawdown. Only ACGs in big drawdown because they're really bad. That's a lot of accounts. It is 12 accounts in, wait, no, 11 accounts in total. And if I add my personal in there, then it's 12, because I already made my personal account and stuff like that. I just need to start funneling money into it, that's all. But yeah, that's it. Just milk and drain them. That's all I want to do.
Hello everybody, this is Donald.
Just want to key game payouts. That's it.
Behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
But I can't work out this price action, man. You could have gone long here. You could have gone long here. You could have gone long here, but the SL was a bit big there. And I wasn't too sure because I don't like taking trades based off of just structure. I need like something a bit more cleaner. But I suppose it was valid, but just didn't take it, man. Sometimes it's good to not. Okay, price is just tag the invalid zone here. What's gonna happen now? Yeah. This is why I love trade copiers, bro. Once you nail the trade copier settings, I can have like 20 on here, bro. Because when I end up getting 2 million funded, it's going to be around about 24, 25 accounts. And then when that's funded, I'll only risk like 0.25% because I'll never blow a challenge on 0.25% risk. I'll still be making on a 2 mil funded. I'll still be making like, I don't know, 50, 100k per trade. So, and obviously that's across 25 firms, like probably across like 7, 8 firms, 9 firms. So you shouldn't have any issues with payouts. Because if you've got 8, 9 firms, it's going to be like 4,000 or 5,000 from each firm. They're not going to have an issue with that. Paying that out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 10 times they're alright paying out 4,000 to a trader. Between 2 and 4, 5,000, they're probably alright paying that out at least 10 times before to be like, okay, this guy's a problem. So if you get like, let's say 40k payouts from each firm and you've got 8, 9 firms, that's nearly like 400,000. So that's enough for me to make my own account and trade myself and stuff like that. Because at that point, if they do start denying me, it doesn't matter because I had my own personal account funded anyway and stuff like that, making money from my own account, etc, etc. Rather than like most people who just rely on prop firms and wonder, oh no, like they don't save anything or have their own personal account, they just keep trading these accounts and spending the money. So let's just review, London's so far in the span of about how many hours? Span of about 2 hours has done a 26 pip move, which isn't bad at all. 15 pip up, then drop. I got slapped there. And then obviously on this account here, how much did we get pip movement wise? So we moved up 20 pips, dropped 15 pips, and now we're in the span of about 2 hours up 18. That's okay. This is actually quite good for EU and GU because they're following data points really, really well. I just got chopped by GU's price action. That's all it was, and that's fine. I take that day in, day out. I'll take that. Yen's probably doing okay. Went up by about 20 pips, I'm guessing, then dropped quite a bit, and now we've done a 35 pip move in the span of about 2 hours. This is low volume for yen. This should have done about 45, 50 pips realistically. CHF, I bet this has done alright actually. Yeah, CHF has done quite good as well. 17 pips in the span of about 2 hours. Once you've won 100k in your personal account, you're good to risk 1-2% on personal account and keep trading the prop firms. Well, the plan is just between 2 and 5 or 2 and 4% risk on that, because if I manage to catch 2% risk, and I make 10R, I've just grown the account by 20%. If I catch a 20R trade, I've grown the account by 40%. So yeah, it's between like 2 and 4% I'll risk. So yeah, but you have to stomach in it that this is your own money, therefore you can, you know. So yeah. After successfully trading a funded account for more than a year and you still fail 99% drawdown, your strategy is not a good strat. Yeah. To be honest, this is why, you know, a lot of traders, when they get personal accounts, they can't trade it because their strategy is risk 1, 2, 3%. If you blow the challenge, you get funded quickly again, and then they get one payout. That's what a lot of traders do when they go to personal capital and they blow their own capitals because they're not consistent. They're gambling trading in it. They're gambling, so they're just high risk gambling is what they're doing. And when it's your own money and you high risk gamble, you will blow the money, and it's your own money, and that's why a lot of these guys fail. Price isn't doing what it should be doing, man. It's just doing some next level bollocks right now. So the zone I want to fail, it did fail. It just wanted to drop down and do that first half hour of London Open where it does that drop and reversal thing, tapping and stuff. That's fine, no problem. I didn't go over to Miko stream late to see you, bro. Happy. Oh wait, is he streaming now? That's good, innit? Been waiting for ages. I'm not gonna go though because I used to go to stream too much, man. Yeah, but I've been stream too much, man, honestly. I might just nip in and say hi or something like that, but that's fine, man. That's cool. I'll probably see you there then. I'm gonna cut the stream in about 5 minutes anyway. I doubt I'm gonna catch another trade in 5 minutes. I'm gonna rather wait for New York and see what New York has to offer. Yeah, peace out. Stick around for a few minutes, bro. Keep me company for a few minutes. Unless you want to go, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to look for New York and see what New York does. I think hopefully with the adjustments I've made on the trade copy, they should be about perfect now. So that I'm hoping that's all going to work out as it should. So we'll see what happens with that. Why is this all the way over here? There. And then I'm hoping this is gonna work in New York session. I'll be well, say 4 o'clock. There. Got a few opportunities and possibly I'm hoping for New York session on GBPCHF and Euro and Pound. Yeah. It would be nice to catch a TP, even like the 0.5%, just so I can get that sorted on that account, the 50k, but I'm not too bothered because I'm not gonna risk profits and stuff like that or become like eager or greedy or whatever you'd want to call it. Let's close all these accounts now. Bro, bro, what? Have a look at gold. Gold is still doing good. GBP flying up in the sky. I mean, I don't know about that. It's done a bit of a move, yeah, but 29, 20, yeah, it's moving really well actually, yeah. Pound's moving really well. Asia did lovely volume, and then just London just did absolutely nothing on yen, man. Like it was horrendous. London was on yen. Very unexpected, but anything can happen in the market, bro. You just have to wait and just see what happens, innit? I know I wasn't expecting it at all. I really wasn't. What really confused me today, yeah, was pound USD. Because obviously euro is telling me like to go long, yeah. Imagine if you didn't take your SL. Nah, it doesn't matter, bro. This is win rate, innit? Risk reward, win rate, etc, etc. We're in weird conditions right now in the market as well with price action. So yeah, these things are gonna happen. It's not really the end of the world. I could have actually got in again, yeah, but I just didn't feel comfortable with that. But now that I think about it, looking back again, price took this low and it took this low by 1 pip. So that was valid. It took this low, took that low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. But I didn't like the look of 3.5 pip SL. I'd like to do at least 1 pip. If I did 0.5, the spreads could easily chew me on that, bro. They could easily chew me on that. Wallahi, bro, I'm telling you, if this was, it's just clean enough to not get tagged by that supply zone as well. Just clean enough. So if this was like, let's just say for example, 3, 4 pip, I would have thought about it. But I don't like a 4 pip SL. It's on the upper side of my limit, isn't it? And then there you go, that'd have been good. Partials would have been around 15. So I'd have probably taken them on the close of that candle there. So 17, 4.3 are really low risk reward, but because the SL is bigger in it. This, I like it with between like 2 to 3 pips is my ideal, but this was bigger in it. And then if you look at euro, euro gave an entry as well here. Would there be room for partial there? Yeah, there would have, yeah, but it's on the bigger side, innit? Yeah, because obviously it was would have been about 4.5 pips, which is a lot, bro. That's a lot. That's too much for me. Because remember my partials are between 15 and 18 pips, yeah. 15 and here is 3R. Why am I gonna take a trade for 3R on M1? It's not even worth it. It's not even worth it, bro. What if I take that trade and I took an L and I would have only got 3R? You know what I mean? One of the R just covers this loss and then 2 more R profit, and that's it. That's not enough for me, bro. I don't like that. Now on euro, you had Imagine if would be for partial because of Christmas. We should all be more bearish buyers. Just asking, like, will there be more? No, not really. No, not really. That doesn't have any sort of like consequence or anything. No. What's it gonna do? Oh yeah, Euro USD. So, for example, yeah, you had higher. So I had all these lows, passed to the lows, made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, made equal highs. Yeah, so engineering price to come up here again. Then we dropped all the way into this demand zone. So you could technically say made a lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So you could go long here. Now the issue with this is the SL on here is actually not bad. On here it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Because then you could actually do on Euro you could probably do 3.5. Yeah, you can probably do 3.5 pips. And there, but even this looks still 12 to 13 hours 3.7. Like the volume's low, man. The volume's not so good. Yeah, nah, price doesn't work like that. Where just because it's winter, everyone's gonna start selling it. It doesn't. You could get people buying in winter, in Christmas time. That doesn't really make any difference. I'm just gonna drop these links in the chat. Just put this in the Discord, innit? That trade I took and the L. So it's in the Discord. Oh wait, 1 second, bro. Yeah, bro, I swear they did. Let me wait. Let me just put this in the Discord first, and then I'll talk to you about that. Bro, wait. Don't go anywhere, wait. Oh man. You brought up a good topic. Go to my trades. There you go. Trading. Took that there. So token L on GU, missed EU to the BE, typical get the worst pair, worst entry. Then L lol, price pushed slowly after that. So I'm happy with this L, to be honest. There you go, done. Close Discord now. Yeah, basically. 1 sec, you send this message on. Okay, so let me. Yeah, there's no clear zone on Euro then for a second entry, man. There was a trade bought, not the trade. I prefer the London Open volume. That's what I was looking for, the London Open volume. But obviously, got cooked by that bit in it, so it's fine. It is what it is. Basically, CME outage happened, yeah. 1 second. Right, so CME thing happened, yeah. Obviously the spreads on gold in it, yeah, they went from about the usual 10 pips or whatever it is to about 200. Then I seen it go from 200 to 250. Then I see the spread go from 250 to 300. And literally on my live stream, yeah, you could look at it. I was showing ACG, how ACG was just like flicking up and down, flicking up and down, yeah. And the spread on ACG was like 30 pips, 40 pips. Spread on FTMO was about 50, 60 pips, something like that. Bro, I kid you not, yeah. Quanteca was 200-300 pip spread. The spread was massive, bro. Humongous. Bear traders got slapped. Because a lot of them were probably risking 1%, yeah. They probably got slipped by like 3-4% because of the spread in it. If you got a 40 pip SL on gold and spread goes 300 pips, you've just been slapped. Like into space, like out of the solar system. You know what I mean? So it was a bit of a mad one, to be honest, bro. It was a bit mad. And then bare people lost their account, and then one guy said, yeah, you have your own broker. How in the world do you get a 300 pip spread on your own broker? And they said slippage and stuff like that happens on prop firms because they can't honor price and stuff like that. But then one guy said, his name was Jay, he put it in the trading talk or trading talks or something like that chat, and he said, how in the world can you justify instability of price by 300 pips on gold? It was really bad. I want to hear and they claim to be backed up. They have their own broker. How do you have 300 pip spread on your own broker, bro? What the hell is this? How can you have an in-house broker and yet be exactly? So it seems like a lot of people manipulated. That's what I think. I think it was purposely done, because if I look back, all the other accounts, ACG spread was about 30-40 pips, which is not bad. It's only like that, like, you know, the thickness of, on MetaTrader on my computer is the thickness of your finger, bro. The spread on gold on a 15-minute chart, so like 40-50 pips, something like that spread. But you go on QT on MT5 on your computer, you can put your whole hand in there, bro. It's like a full-on, the whole screen was a bloody spread on a M15 time frame. I was like, what's going on here, bro? It's literally going like, because I use my like the spread was huge, bro. It was so bad. Reasonable outrage. I think the issue was if the spread was like, you know, between the averages of like, you know, 20 to 60, 70, 80 pips, okay, sure. Okay, you can say it's a bit worse than others. Okay, sure. Don't arguable, but okay, sure. You know, that's fine. But the fact it was 300, bro, it might have even been more. It was moving so fast, it might have been more than 300 pips. But I remember 250 easily. Because I was just looking at it go bigger and smaller, bigger and smaller, bigger and smaller. And I was like, wow, this is insane, man. It's like NFP. It was like NFP news, bro, I swear. IC Markets was fine, but they had the blackout. IC Markets blacked out. There was no movement on price. And then it just suddenly opened after about 20 minutes and it was all the way back up. So they fully lost their feed. But that was on TradingView. Maybe on my phone. Actually, did I check on my phone? Yeah, on my phone it was like that as well. So IC Markets had the full-on blackout for like 20 minutes. Yeah, they had a full-on blackout. Because obviously this account I trade here is IC Markets, innit? On my personal account that I've just opened up is with IC Markets, and the pricing's, everything's exactly the same. I just need to get pairs and start putting money into the account because it's got nothing at the moment. It's got zero in it. I do have money I can trade with, but I'm not putting any more money into trading. I'm only putting what I get from trading back into trading, if you get me. So yeah, it was mad on, to be honest, man. Now I'm just looking at this, but I should have shorted the pound in it. But where would the entry have been for a short, man? Low, high, low, 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 high, lower, low. If I shorted from here, I would have been slapped. Yeah, so I couldn't have shorted from there. If I shorted from here, I would have got swerved. There was nowhere to short. Buys was the only way to go. But any of the entries cleaner? Not really. I think all of them were quite bad. So I've got it on the screenshot now. We can get rid of that. I'm just trying to think of this in it. Because I need at least 30 pips, yeah, for TP1. And for me to get TP1, the average is about 2 hours, hour and 45-ish. we've been in this for, if I took this move from here, that's me, come on, man. Yeah, this ain't looking good. So yeah, that was it really. I think a lot of people complained about it. One guy goes, I'm gonna take you guys to court and stuff like that, which is fair play. He goes, because obviously you guys don't honor pricing and stuff like that, all this stuff. Completely agree with the guy. Completely agree with the guy. So from here to, so partials I think were okay. How long was partials? Partials were about 30 money. 1 second. Sorry. So partials were about 30 minutes, which is okay. Partials in 30 minutes is okay. I prefer like 20 up to 30, but it was like a bit over 30, but that's okay. And then price stopped after that. Yeah, it is what it is, isn't it, bro? Can't really change any of this. That was it really. Were you looking at the charts or not when it happened? Like, were you on the charts? Oh shoot, this is 3 o'clock. I need to do quarter past. Me, I was partying. Astaghfirullah. What's wrong with you, bro? You stupid. I'm about to hit you, man. No, he hasn't got it yet. He's just still waiting. It's been a long time and he's still waiting. That's kind of the problem. Halal party. Okay, then it's acceptable. Kabula, kabula. Is QT's in the QT? It's not moderator, it's more like a moderator. Moderator, yes. So yeah, I just can't figure a price out today. I'll try my best, bro. Yalla, I'm done then. Anything you guys want to talk about or not? Or can I go? Unless you guys want to talk about something. Let's talk. How did you interview? Yeah, I'll stick around for about half an hour then you guys can chat and have a bit of a conversation, boys. I'll close the charts down for now. I've got New York marked out anyway. I'll go to the chat. Oh look, I look fresh, bro. Clean shaven and that. Fresh beard cut. Fresh beard cut. Fresh beard cut. And I cut my hair as well, so I got like tint going on. Bit of a tint mission. Dagestan beard. Brother, you want fight, brother? Me, you grappling, brother. I wrap arm round the neck, brother. Punch head, brother. Choking punch head, brother. Ay Allah. You know, I like this soundtrack. I'm gonna save it. Save to dancing track. Putin has signed an order allowing all Chinese citizens to enter Russia without a visa. That's interesting, isn't it? I haven't even looked at silver today, bro. Everyone's talking about silver. I'm just gonna have a quick glance at silver. I'll see you guys have your little chat. The soundtrack I listened to, the look is a fresh, brother. Thank you, brother. Shukran, brother. Merci beaucoup, brother. The soundtrack I listened to before gold hit my SL. What? How is the tablet? It's okay. It's not bad. And today I didn't have morning egg sandwich today. Moon didn't bring it. Moon did not bring it today. Don't know why. I was gonna have a look at silver really quick in it because I've seen posts about silver, so I just want to see how that's looking. Silver ni moni notch rupe karni hai bhai. 2.3%, 57. Okay, let's have a look at silver. Oh my god. Bro, have you seen silver on the daily chart? Yo! Bro, silver on the daily chart's done a mad one. Wow. Flipping hell. That's done a really good move. So on silver, we had how much? We had a 16% drop, yeah? And from that 16% drop that we had when gold sold off and stuff, yeah? We're now up 27%. Yo. Moving like a... I was gonna say word for a female dog. Moving like a mad one still. Wow. Big move. Big move. Dagestan beard, but it's thicker than this before. I trimmed it down. It's like out here, like it's like out about here, innit? There's a bit of a thicken, bro, like a thick meaty beard, bro. I want to do like bald head and big beard in it, because then you look like, you know what I mean? So yeah. So I've ordered the case and stuff for the computer. Do you trade silver? I can, but I don't. I just like trading my 4 main pairs, because other than that, it's too many pairs, bro. There's too many in it. Can't keep up with all of them then, man. I'm gonna drop the copier to 1.6 on the 100k account, because I think 1.7 is still too much. So now if I drop to 1.6, it should be 0.5% risk, inshallah. Yeah, that looks about right now. Perfect. Oh yeah, so basically I ordered the PSU, so that's already here. It's the power supply unit, which is basically the power, you know, the battery, whatever you want to call it. I've ordered that. I've already got that. I'm waiting for, where's Amazon? I'm waiting for the I'm waiting for the CPU cooler and the case itself. They'll be here on the 13th of December. Why is it so long? Yeah, they'll be here on 13th of December, which is a long time. I don't know why it's gonna take so long for them to come. And then I'll need to order RAM, which is expensive right now because of the AI bubble. Obviously, everyone's buying the RAM. Silver's good. What are you on about, man? Silver's a really, bro. Look, go on the daily chart. Look at silver. Look at gold, and tell me which one's gay. It's gold. It's not silver, bro. Silver's magnificent. Really good pair to trade. If you know what you're doing, obviously. If you don't, then you get cooked in it. You order some computer things on Black Fridays. Yeah, that's it really. I need to order quite a few more things. On IC markets, the spread's like 3 pips, 4 pips, which ain't bad. That's okay. That's not bad. Like 3-4 pips. So I don't really mind that. I've dropped the risk on the 100k account as well, just because the first trade was a loss. So obviously, I've took because that first trade was a loss. Obviously, I've dropped the risk now to 0.5%. So we'll see how that goes now. Nvidia is so overdone valued. The AI bubble is a really big thing. The AI bubble. So when it does collapse and stuff like that, RAM's gonna fall through the floor. It's gonna drop loads in price. So I'm gonna wait for RAM to hopefully the bubble pops and then RAM drops. Ain't that rhymed? Hopefully the bubble pops and then RAM drops. Yeah, if the bubble pops and then RAM drops, lord, that's so funny. Then I might be able to get RAM at a decent price, because right now RAM is really expensive, man. Like really expensive. I'm shocked how expensive it is, in all honesty. My laptop has 8 gig RAM. I want to upgrade to 16 gig. Should I do it now? What DDR is your RAM? Is it DDR4 or DDR5? If it's DDR4, upgrade, because DDR4 is still cheap. But I want DDR5 in it because I'm trying to build like a top tier computer. $3050s are okay graphics card. I'm not able to play a game called Amazing Spider-Man. It's sad. But yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna wait for the RAM to drop in price, or I'll just wait to catch a deal in it. If I can catch a deal on damn it, if I can catch a deal on Facebook or something like that second hand, or like brand new second hand condition, like new but it's not been used or something like that, then I don't mind doing that, you know. Other than that, I'll just keep waiting for RAM to come down, and then I'll just buy everything else in the meantime. That's what I'm thinking. Or if I can find one stick of RAM, 32 gig second hand, like one stick of RAM, I'll keep that, and then I'll get another 32 separate. If I find like two individual in it, 32 gig RAMs, I'll do that. I don't want what's it called, man, 16 gig. I don't want that. I just want two 32s, and then that way if I ever need to, I can upgrade to 128 gig RAM. I won't ever need to, but I'd rather have the opportunity to be able to do that if I ever wanted to, innit? Yeah, DDR4 is cheap. You can get 16 gig DDR4 for like $30-40, bro. That's cheap. DDR4 is definitely cheap. Yeah, DDR4 cheap. I've seen 64 gig DDR4 for £100 and DDR5's at 300. So you can easily get like 16 gig for like $40, bro. Easily. You should be able to get 32 gig DDR4 for about $50-60. All that RAM. Yeah, bro. I would love to have. I'm telling you, I'm just gonna get 64 gig in 232 sticks, yeah? And I'm just gonna get another 2 later on. And then the computer's gonna be so fast, bro. You know, I often think about the big players all have tools and data to trade, but us profitable traders just use charts and that's it, and we make money with limited tools. Yeah, I know 128 gig is RAM. I know, yeah, that's proper RAM, bro. Proper RAM. I want it on DDR5 6400 megahertz. This is rapid, bro. But this is for gaming, innit? I mean, like, I don't really do gaming, so it's not really the end of the world, is it, if you think about it? Like, it don't really matter, innit? It's just gonna be for like trading and stuff like that, which I don't even need it for trading, do I really? I just want a really crazy computer, that's all. Yeah, you know, a lot of these traders, they have cut data, they have like order flow charts and stuff like that. They have a lot of information that we don't have as traders, bro. Which is why people are saying it, when you look at institutions and banks and stuff like that, they spend like millions and millions on softwares and tools and stuff like that, and it makes sense, bro. Because obviously from their perspective, whoa, wait a second, Aki. Wait a second. What did you just say? What did you just... Have I got my soundboard? Oh, damn, I closed my soundboard. I closed the soundboard. Oh, bro, that was suspicious as hell. Oh my god, that's so bad, bro. I wasn't even ready for that one. You just come out and said some of the most sus stuff I've ever heard in my life. Retail is going to be about £2,200 because the RAM's expensive right now, but I think I can build it. Yeah, I think I could do it for about 1,800, maybe 1,600. I can do it for, and that's like a top tier computer, one of the best graphics cards on the market, except the 5090, because the 5090 is the best graphics card. It's like £2,000-3,000. I'm not buying that. No one's using a 5090. So I'm getting the 9070 XT, which is an exceptionally good card. Like, that's a very, very, very good card. The 9070 XT. So that's a really, really good card. So I'm getting that. And then the CPU is going to be a 9900X. Once again, one of the best CPUs on the market. It's gonna be like a proper top tier computer setup. And if I stick 128 gig RAM in there, and I get a 4 terabyte SSD, then I don't see any improvements. I can't improve that. CPU is gonna be good enough. Oh, this computer is made for like top tier gaming and rendering and stuff like that. The CPU isn't a gaming CPU. The GPUs are the best gaming GPUs, but the CPU is good for like rendering, video editing and stuff like that to a high level. But the CPU can do gaming no problem at all. People are using CPUs like 5 levels lower than this one to do gaming at a high level. So this is a really, really good computer. A really good computer. And I'm only using it for trading. It's quite funny, to be honest, man. I just want 4K monitor, 4K display, 4K everything with like proper crisp, clean quality, man. Sense, bro, use it for hentai. Wait a second, I need to get the soundboard. 1 second. Shouldn't have closed it. Come on, open the soundboard. Yeah. Cyber Monday 65% off. I'm not spending money on a bloody. There you go. I just want to get the soundboard out just for that. Yeah, man. It's called Voice Mod V3. It's free. A Voice Mod V3. Completely free as well. It's really good actually, bro. Really good. All the puts seem to be happening on here. Dirty guy.
Haram!
Brother,
Private sessions. What private sessions you doing? Private sessions. Tomorrow. Okay, are we done now for conversation, or are we still going? How's everyone's accounts looking anyway, man? Are you preparing for... Already prepared for New York on stream, innit? I'm a bounce, bro. Take care. Take it easy, bro. Let us know how you're getting on. Listen, everyone hit like. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna drop this stuff back into the chat for anyone who is late. You know, next year I might start streaming New York session. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Possibly. I'm not sure exactly. Think about it. Stop that in there, and then drop that in there. There you go. yes, bye for you today. Yeah, peace out, guys. Take it easy, man. Anyone watching this back, drop any comments. I'll answer them. Like, I'd appreciate it. Don't care if you subscribe. Yeah, that's fine. Take it easy. If I post any trades, I'll post it in the Discord. If I take anything in New York, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look if there's anything available. If there is, I'll take it. If not, then obviously no. And then I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, London session. Take it easy, guys. Bye bye.